Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Only a quick update really. There's two possibilities how this triangle here that we have on the chart can now unfold. So we have two key possibilities. So we had on the chart here the scenario that the wave 3 finished here on the 12th of May in a low at around $1,700. We then moved up here in a wave 4 and this came across as a triangle. So this unfolded as a triangle with the wave E peaking here probably at $1,925, and what you would usually expect is a breakout out of the triangle to the downside, to the opposite of the wave E. In summary, it is a corrective wave structure and you would expect lower lows even after that. So what we need to understand is, as I said before, the confirmation that wave E has peaked and that we have the breakout of the triangle is always only happening below the low of the wave B. So if the low of the wave D is broken, that was here at around 1750, it is a first indication that the wave E is broken, but real confirmation only happens below $1,706 in this case, below the low of the wave B. Now, since then we have moved up again, and I showed you already the scenario that we could be here in a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up. This is still possible. Absolutely, yeah. It could still be that we are currently in this wave 2 up and we're going to see a wave 3 down, then a 4 up and a 5 down. Basically, all I need to do is to look at this lower level wave count, because what we did is this here was in the end only a 3-wave move down. So this is unlikely that this is still unfolding like that. However, we could label it, and there is a way to count it, but we could label it in a way that we have really, as you just saw on that white wave count, that this was the wave 1 down, this is the wave 2 up. But because this was, as it unfolds, really only a 3-wave move down, yet it is looking a little bit unlikely that this is the case and we would expect a move down imminently. No, what I actually find more likely now is that this wave E did never peak here. I think it peaked here. There is no confirmation it has peaked yet, but it from a subdivision point of view makes it more likely, because this was just a 3-wave move down. So the way to label that then would be that we have moved up in something like this, a wave X, that we actually had here a WXY pattern. So let me just think. You can, okay, no, I would move the wave D over here, so that all of this was a wave W then. This was the wave X, and that we moved down here and completed that wave D with that Y wave. So WXY is just a corrective 3-wave structure, WXY, and that we are now moving up in a wave E. Now we can count here an A, B, C. That wave E could have peaked, and I'm looking currently at this being finished at $1,870. To finish this off, what needs to happen is, again, we want to move below the wave D in the first place. That would be a move below 1722, and for real confirmation, we would need to go below $1,706. Invalidation point for this triangle would be above $2,013. Then it will be an extended wave 4. At the moment, I'm looking at the possibility of the wave 4 having ended here, but I can't rule out it will go a bit higher. The wave E has still space to move all the way up to $2,013, but we have the AC line here, so you can also expect some resistance at this descending trend line, which is today at around $1,930. So that's what I'm looking at here. After the wave E is finished, we would expect an impulsive move down. Now this will only get likely below the wave D at $1,724 and very likely below 1706. This would be confirmation that the triangle has broken out to the downside. So this is what we're looking at here at the moment. I said to you before, triangles, extremely difficult structures. They are very hard to forecast. They can move, they can evolve, they can extend out. That is exactly what we see here at the moment across the charts, and therefore it is very difficult also to trade the triangle itself. I gave you the breakout points here in this video, gave you the invalidation points, and for me this all looks still very corrective, which means that the triangle is a corrective wave structure, which would indicate after this we are going to see an impulsive wave, and in my opinion this will go down into this yellow target area here between $1,200 and $1,500 for Ethereum. And yeah, just want to give you a quick update here about ETH. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.